there friends, Nibs again. Want to get out of the garage. I'm doing a little plinking out here tonight, and I thought I'd throw together a fun little head-to-head for you. You know, you've seen my Baikal quite a bit on this channel before, and it's quite a shooter. And I've put it up head-to-head against a few others before, and really wasn't very much of a fair fight. But I think that this other one that I'm going to put up against it actually stands a chance to hold its own against this one. And this is my BSA Scorpion, and it has a very fine trigger. It's a great shooting gun, very accurate as well. And we're gonna put these two together. I'm gonna shoot, I don't know, maybe 8 or 10 shots out of each one, and I'll actually add the scores up. Not even so much going for the group or anything. I just want to see, you know, I can actually score these little targets here, and we'll see what we can do with it. And to keep it fair, I'm just going to be shooting my tried and true Daisy wad cutters. These measure in at about a 7.6 grain pellet. And both of these guns seem to really shoot these pretty accurately. So I'll shoot the Baikal at the left-hand target, and we'll see what we can do. Okay. That was a pretty good shot. First one was a little off center, but that's a little bitty bullseye for shooting offhand. A little low on that one. Both of these are great shooters. I just think this Baikal's quite a bit more gun in the right hands, and I'm not saying have those right hands. That was a good shot. But I have been pretty impressed with how that BSA really shoots, so we'll see what we can do with it. I have been practicing with it quite a bit. Another bullseye. A couple more to go here. We'll have 10 on that target. So really, as far as specification goes, both of these guns are pretty evenly matched, really. Foot per second, trigger pull. Oh, two more. Trigger pull, sight radius of the sights are pretty even. I think the Baikal might be a little bit longer in that respect. I say I believe the feet per second that both of them are running are very close. I think the Baikal is a little over 400. from what I measured, 435-ish. The Scorpion was right around 400. Okay, kept them all in the black, which is an accomplishment for me. So now we'll move on to the Scorpion. Really, you almost don't even need the cocking aid anymore, but I still use it just so I'm not messing up that front sight. Okay, 10 pellets for the Scorpion. Sights aren't quite as nice. Well, don't even have the proper rear sight for this one yet, but so the trigger on the Baikal, I measured that one at about 11 ounces, and I did adjust this one. It was about 1 pound and 4 ounces, and I believe I adjusted this one down to right around 11 or 12 ounces as well, so they're pretty evenly matched in that respect as well. Oh! Looks like I did break the line though, so that does still count as a scoring, as long as I did break the line. I can't tell if it looks like I did from here. That's better. Need to get a couple bullseyes here to make up for that one. All right, getting myself steadied back out again. I don't need to get flustered just because I pulled one. That's looking pretty good, other than that one I pulled there. This new spring I put in here is nice and quiet, and really nice and smooth. I might be giving that Baikal a run for its money. These head-to-heads are a lot of fun, especially when you're putting something that's looks like it should be so obvious of a, you know, a David and Goliath type of matchup, but this guy's laying them right in there. That one that's low, that's just me. I flinched that one all day, but wow. 2 more for this guy, and then I'll cut that off, and I will add up those scores, and then we'll tell you how we did. That one going that same hole as that other low one? Well, maybe not. I guess not. All right, let's get this last one done, and then we'll add them scores up. At least we'll try. It looks like a pretty ragged mess there, so it might be tough to really score those. I may have to review the tape to really see what's going on there. All right, well, that's looking very interesting. It's it's way too close to call for me anyway, right off the bat. So let me go ahead and cut this off. Give me a couple minutes and I'll add those up, and then we'll be right back. Alrighty, friends. Well, it was a neck and neck race. If it wasn't for, I had to go through and review the tape. I watched every shot hit the target to make sure I was scoring them right. And 2 of the hits from the Scorpion actually went into that outer 5 ring. So if it wasn't for, actually, I could have brought one of those shots in a little bit higher, the Scorpion would have won. But the Baikal ended up with a very nice score of 84 out of a possible 100. And then the BSA, I do love this gun. It's great. I'm gonna keep practicing with it, and I'm gonna beat the Baikal yet with it. But that one did end up with also a very respectable 79. So shooting offhand, 20 feet. These are, how big are these bullseyes? Let me see here. So these are, to the outer 5 ring, are 1 3/4 inch bullseyes, but the 10 dot in the center is 0.15 inches. So just a little over 1/8 of an inch. Here's actually the scoring one that goes in the center of the target. So, but so there you go. Really cool head-to-head challenge. The Baikal did squeak one out. I think it's about the closest matchup that I've had so far, and I'm going to do this again. Maybe I won't do it on camera, but I'll film it. And if the Scorpion wins, I'll play it up for you guys. But so anyway, there you go. There's the Scorpion, BSA Scorpion. Probably mid to late 70s is my guess with the production on that one. And then my Baikal IZH-46M. And I believe these were made in the 90s into the early 2000s. So roughly around that time frame for this guy. So it's not any spring chicken either. It's not like it's a brand new production gun either, but would have seemed that it would have been so much farther apart just by the look of the 2 of them. But there you go. Another great head-to-head. I really hope you liked the video. If you did, like, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and you'll be notified when I do post up new videos. But until next time, have a great day.